Funny moments. Funny moments part 4. I'm bored. I don't know what to do. Oh, hi.
Hello. Are you
Yes.
bored?
Yeah, I'm super bored.
I have mystery bags.
Ooh. Thank you. Let's see what's in them. Oh, what is this? Ah! This is time for payback. Get out of safe zone. Get out of safe zone.
No.
Get out of safe zone. That's what you get for giving me a bad bag. Now, never do that to me again.
I love.
Why are you doing that?